Now we back in the motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, yeah. We just pulled up on a damn car meet. Got all these motherfucking shits out here. This shit crazy as hell. Nah, for real, this shit wild. This shit wild as shit. These bitches so hard. What the hell did we just find, nigga? What the hell we just find, nigga? What the fuck did we just find, nigga? I literally told you about your car. Shall we talking about? That shit fire. It's a bunch of fire shit. This is a bunch of fire shit. And you don't bring your car. This nigga don't.
Hey, let's go talk to me like this.
Nigga hate me.
Nigga talk to me.
Which one?
Them over there, that group.
They got the hood up. Let's do it.
Hey, just tell them, bro. We just up here. We just ride around.
We just riding around. I got the M4 at the crib. You the chop of that bitch, nigga. Found the car meet out of nowhere. This shit absolutely crazy. The fucking chop shit, dude. Nigga chopping it, bro. Black wind? Yeah. Shit could be 4 or 5. That shit fire. What you got there? That bitch. Under the hood? Yeah. Slide it again. Come on. I seen that. That's why I came over here. This shit so hard. Nigga pulled up. Motherfucker called me. We ain't know it's here. Shit crazy. The soup truck. No. So slight. I can tell you this shit crazy here, nigga. That shit fucking crazy as fuck. Damn. Nigga. Just a little supercharged V8.
Okay, how much are you pushing?
Like 100 horsepower. Why you lying, Gary? Come on, Gary.
Okay. F30, V5 motor. Bitch, nigga. This is shit I've been talking about, bro. I've been trying to find one of these motherfuckers. My nigga, I'm telling you. This nigga should have brought his fucking car. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, nigga. This shit crazy. Crazy. Shut at the crib. That shit. I would not lie. I just ain't drive mine today. I was not driving. I told this nigga to drive. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hold on, bro. I got you, bro. I'm telling you, fuck him. Fuck him. That's not good shit. No. Hey, turn that nigga hotspot on, bro. Hey, give me my socks.
Yeah, you wearing my shirt. You wearing his jaw, bro?
You wearing my shirt? I'm telling you, bro. Bro, we live out in the Bill with our 40.
You wearing his sister's dog?
Yeah, we stay out over there in Vietnam. Oh, man. You're recording.
Yeah. Get a vlog.
How we doing today? Live? Is that live? He's streaming, bro. Oh, how are we doing today, YouTube? My name is LaCory. And I drive a Camaro. Let me guess, he drives some type of Mopar.
No.
Oh, you don't drive a Mopar?
I don't.
What do you drive? Don't lie to me.
Accord right now.
Huh?
Accord right now.
Turbo? What do you mean right now? What happened?
Let's say I wasn't like.
Oh wait, you gotta say what?
I wasn't SRTG, got all black.
SRTG.
And I let my mom have that. Things happen, right? And I had to get in the fucking Honda.
Okay.
But we buying a BMW about next week.
So how much money do you have right now in your bank account that I can have?
That you can have.
Yes, sir.
Let's just say currently, I got like 0.
No, not for you.
No. So
For me.
I know. It's I'm saving up to buy this BMW. I gotta get the
That's valid. That's valid. Yeah.
I'm glad you're here.
I want them up on, but it's just like everybody got them, so I gotta go something different. You feel me?
Camaro.
That's what I want. It's so expensive.
It's not.
I'm
20. I just got out of high school. You can do it. Bro, I put you on bidet trade. What you got now, bro?
Oh, word?
Yeah.
I should have known. I'll be watching that shit.
Wait, you're a father? Your dad? That nigga lied. What? Your dad? Oh, I thought you said he was your dad.
No, he's dead.
You're dead?
He was dead.
Oh, you died?
Yeah, Rick.
I was on the tractor trailer.
The EMS said he was dead. Is that so?
That's,
Oh, no, he walking.
oh, shit.
They started walking fast. He was walking
Started to pull out.
Oh, everybody. That was my car. What up, bro?
Shit.
Right here. I was all the way up under there. You good? Yeah, I'm good. You good? I'm good.
Oh, shit. Oh, no, nigga. Talk to me, nigga. Talk to me, nigga. This my fucking shit right here, nigga.
Where's that?
I don't know. Them niggas they damn dipped off of some more shit. Like, shit. Nigga, this is what we talk about, trying to find niggas that you route with. Like, bro, I'm telling you, gang. What's going on? Damn! Oh shit! Oh shit! I forgot. Hold on, nigga. Yo, we about to get on the fucking highway. Oh shit! We better hop on the fucking highway. Fucking crew! I swear to bro, look at this shit.
Richie nigga,
I ain't trying to feel no sorrow. Cats at the cats, nigga. Look at this shit. They found my fucking group. I'm trying to find this shit, bro. Boy, what in the... Yo, this shit so fire. I've been trying to find these shits for how long, nigga? You feel me? Like, nigga, what the fuck? This shit hard. Oh. I gotta have my vlog on, man. This shit overly pressure. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga, what's the odds of us pulling up on a fucking car meet while we vlogging, while we in the motherfucking shit? Now we hop on the highway. Nah, nigga, I swear to God, I'm not driving. I'm telling you, oh God, I'm not driving. Oh God, I'm not driving. Tell you I'm not driving. It's my stunt driver. If y'all see us on the highway, it's my stunt driver, right? You feel me? And the camera about to die. If the camera die, y'all, we hopping on the motherfucking shit. I know, man. Yeah, I'm behind. Yeesh. That shit's fucking. Nigga, what the fuck? What's the odds? What's the odds? Nigga?
Nah, no cap.
Nigga, I was like, where the fuck are we going? Hold on.
This is tough.
This shit is crazy, nigga. Like, hold on, I need me a thumbnail. Listen.
Oh. There you go.
That shit crazy, nigga. What in the fuck? What in the hell? What in the hell, nigga? I swear to God, this shit crazy as fuck. This shit, what the hell, cat, nigga? They got the fucking Mercedes. Oh my God. Oh my. Dude, what's the odds, nigga? That we find this shit, nigga. One trying to find this shit, bro. Video come out soon, gang. Ain't gonna lie to you. Video coming out soon, on bro. Bro, nigga. What's the odds that we find a motherfucking car meet, nigga? This is broken glass. Oh hell no, man. I'm glad I ain't parked right here. This is broken glass. Somebody got their damn Hellcat stolen. Ah, this shit's absolute. This shit crazy. Like, this shit's crazy. What I tell you? What the fuck did I tell you?
That one.
That damn purple, nigga.
Not the gunshot too.
That's fucking crazy. What's up with the highway, nigga? What's up on the highway? Cause I swear to bro, I fucking cooking. Fried nigga.
Oh, it's police.
That's police.
That's police.
Hey, nigga. Police. Hey, nigga. I'm ready. I'm ready, bitch. Nigga. I'm connection school. I'm going.
I mean, I just brought AJ in there. Oh, wait. What happened to us getting food?
Nigga, fuck the food. Nigga, I'm sorry. Fuck the food. They about to do a fuck. They about to do some content, nigga. What the fuck? See, and this is why we try to go get a BMW, nigga. This is why we gotta get a BMW. Cause, nigga, what's the fucking odds, y'all? We literally just found the fucking car meet. If I do some car content, nigga, this shit crazy. Like, bro. I've been trying to find these ones for a minute, nigga. For a minute. I've been trying to find one of these for a minute, gang. Trying to find one of these for a minute. Hey, what they doing, twin? What they doing, twin? Shit. Oh, man, if I had them up, I would, nigga. Shit. I don't got them up. Bro, if I had a moped, I would definitely. Hold on, nigga. This bitch crazy. These niggas setting up in a motherfucking Yo, this shit crazy, nigga. We got Scabs, we got Hellcats, we got RTs, nigga. Shit. I'd be a dickhead if I pulled in right here, wouldn't I? I'd be a dickhead, wouldn't I? I'm a dickhead. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I don't got no more part, nigga. I don't got no more part. Nigga, what in the hell? Look at this shit. Look at this shit, y'all. Look at this dead ass, like, look at this dead ass, like, this part up there. This shit crazy. Hell, I'm starstruck because I ain't seen this many fucking shits ever. I ain't seen this many shits ever, nigga. Like, have you seen any of this shit? Like, I ain't seen this shit ever. You feel me? Like, nigga. Look, next time I say bring your fucking car, gang, bring your fucking car. Cause you got the best car out of all of us. Okay, cool, I got rims on my Honda Accord, nigga, but that shit just is a Honda Accord, nigga. You got a BMW. That shit automatically gonna hit different because, nigga, like, it's a It's an M, nigga. That shit. I almost want to fucking pull my car into the back of somebody. See what they about to do. This shit is hard. Like, who got the damn drone? What a drone at? I'm gonna go to the front of it. Fuck all this shit, nigga. We in the back, nigga. What you talking about? I'm going to the front. I'm taking a picture. I'm getting a fucking picture, nigga. I'm a damn blogger. I'm gonna motherfucking. Nigga, what in the hell? I ain't seen this many shits ever, nigga. This shit is crazy. This bitch so pressure, like right here, nigga. This shit is so hard. Man, this shit down Durango, like wide bite Durango. Shit crazy. This shit is so far. Nigga, my nigga Nate should bring his damn car. He got the best car out of all of us. And this nigga's the only nigga that didn't bring his shit. The only nigga. The only nigga that didn't bring his shit. Like, bro, what the fuck? Sorry, they gonna know me. I'll pull up somewhere. They're gonna be like, what the fuck? Crazy. Look how many people is here, man. How many people is here? It don't look like this many niggas, but it's niggas pulling up still. Niggas went down the street and came back. Like, what the hell? Yo. This shit, they going on. This shit is fucking wild, gang. Nah, like for real, this shit is like crazy. I would have never thought we would have found something like this. We was just driving around. Like, I've been trying to find one of these for a minute. Like, a minute, nigga. This shit crazy. Yeah, this nigga gonna be an influencer. He probably got a couple thousand on shit. I'm gonna come back to y'all nigga when they get done doing this shit, y'all. Well, nigga, we're leaving the damn shit. My damn car died in the middle of me charging the fucking camera. So, you know, that's great. It's real great. But yeah, nigga. Probably ended that little vlog that y'all got, nigga. So it's probably gonna be a small vlog, but like. Get back home. But yeah.
We just gonna go home and get cookout, but if I was you, gonna take me to get my car. But
yeah, let's hurry up though,
yeah,
nigga. We gonna make it there, nigga. Yeah. Shit. You hear that? You hear that shit?
yeah, it's
time to head out.
Raindrop, drop top.